Hello, this is Peter Blandino. I'm a reporter with the Patriot Ledger. I've been following the Lindsay Clancy trial since the opening days of testimony about 4 weeks ago. A lot has happened since, but today I want to focus on the testimony of one witness, an expert witness for the defense, Dr. Paul Zeizel. He's a forensic psychologist hired by Clancy's lawyer, Kevin Reddington, to evaluate her. And I want to focus on three things that Zeizel said from the stand. First of all, he talked about psychosis, and he said those suffering from psychosis can carry out everyday routine type of activities and can interact with the others without presenting as obviously ill or psychotic. This is important because the prosecution has emphasized throughout the trial how Clancy behaved in the weeks and days leading up to January 24th, 2023, when she killed the children, how she brought Cora to the pediatrician that morning, how she was playing with Dawson and Cora in the backyard making a snowman that morning, how she called the restaurant for takeout, how she called CVS to ask about medicine for Cora. And even at the very moment when she was believed to have been in the act of killing her children, the prosecution noted she had a 14-second conversation on the phone with Patrick, who was at CVS looking for Cora's medication. Second thing, Paul Zeizel visited Lindsay Clancy at her hospital room at Brigham and Women's Hospital in early February, lent her his cell phone to call Patrick, and this is the first time Lindsay Clancy is believed to have mentioned the voice compelling her to kill the children and then herself. And he said from the stand, quote, "She told Patrick she loved him very much. She was able to express a lot of emotion, but she expressed love for him. She had said she had heard a male voice ordering her, telling her that she didn't have any choice, but she had to kill herself and then the children." Third point, Dr. Zeizel was the first witness to give an opinion that Clancy was not criminally responsible at the time she killed her children. He used kind of legal language here. He said that Clancy suffered a mental disease or defect that prevented her from conforming her behavior with the law and from appreciating the wrongfulness of her acts. Moving forward, the prosecution will almost certainly call its own expert witness to the stand to rebut Zeizel's testimony. So that is something to look out for in the next few days, next week of this trial.